Today we're hanging outside, making some coffee and staying warm with the help of our tabletop fire pit from Havato. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a travel bag, a removable flame ring, an ash pan cover, your ash pan, and then your portable tabletop fire pit. The fire pit has airflow holes all the way around for optimal fire, as well as fold-out legs on the bottom to stand your fire pit off the ground. You simply put in your ash pan and then the cover, put on the fire ring, and it's good to go. You just need some wood or pellets. Now that we've seen everything, I packed it all away in the travel bag and took it to my campsite and set everything up again. It's been raining a lot and our wood is damp, so I used the best tinder I could find, as well as some cardboard and a cotton ball soaked in rubbing alcohol. I lit my tinder pile and put it in the portable fire pit. Even with the damp wood, the tinder pile spread and the fire pit lit up quickly. The airflow holes in steel side walls let air come in and fuel the flames. I used it to warm my hands and then made a pot of hot coffee to help stay warm even more. It was really nice having a tabletop fire pit to keep me warm at the table. Now again, I had damp wood, and I had cardboard in the fire pit to help the wood catch, so it was smoking. But that's my fault. The coffee was good though. Anyway, I went and bought some alder wood kindling and tried again. I put my fire pit up in the gazebo this time. I lit up the tinder pile and dropped it into the fire pit. The fire pit lit up again super quickly, and this time, no smoke. Just as advertised. I hung out in my gazebo for a while, and even though it was windy and snowy, the fire pit stayed lit, and was able to add some warmth to the area. As the flames died down, you can just add some more wood. I used it for a while, and there's still room for so much more ash. So I could use this well into the night if I kept feeding it wood. So yeah, I'm loving my new tabletop fire pit. The only thing you need to remember is if you want it to be smokeless, don't be like me using cardboard. Use dry wood or pellets, and you'll have a warm and comforting experience that anyone will enjoy. So if you're looking for a way to keep warm, add some nice ambient light to the area, or even something to cook on. This tabletop fire pit might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go warm my hands over the fire. See ya!